Very good morning, students. Today we will discuss a new lesson. Before starting a lesson, let me ask few questions for you. Tell me, Virat Kohli is related with which game? Yes, you are right, cricket. Now tell me, what are the objects used in a cricket? Yes, you are right. Ball, bat, wicket, etc. Now tell me, what is the shape of a ball? Good, it is a circular in a shape. Now tell me, what is the shape of a coin or a chapati? Yes, all these are circular in a shape. Hope you understand that what is the lesson of today. Today we will discuss about lesson 14, that is circle. A circle is a simple closed shape made by a curved line. This is a circle made by me. You can see in this figure that is no corner or no edges. It is round in a shape. See, it is round. Student, a circle is a simple closed shape made by a curved line and it has no corner or no edges. Center. The center of a circle is the point which is equidistant from all points on the circle. In this circle you can see O is the center of a circle. Center means a midpoint of a circle. Now we will discuss parts of a circle. Radius, a line segment joining the center of a circle to any point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. In this image, OA is the radius of a circle. Diameter, a line segment joining any two points on a circle and passing through its center is called the diameter of the circle. In this image, AB is a diameter of a circle and it is passing through O, which is center of a circle. See, it is a center and AB is passing through at O, which is a center of a circle. Diameter is 2 times of a radius of a circle. Chord. A line segment joining any 2 points on a circle is called the chord of the circle. In this image, we can see, first I will make here a longest line, that is a diameter A, B passing through at the center O. It is a longest chord or a diameter. One more chord, CD. It is also a chord. Circumference. The perimeter or a boundary of a circle is called its a circumference. This is the shape and this boundary of a shape is the circumference of a circle. It's a boundary. It's a circumference of a circle. Discuss some formulas. Radius. We can say that diameter divided by 2. Diameter. Diameter equals to radius multiplied by 2. Circumference of a circle is 2 multiplied by 3.14 into radius. 3.14 is a value of pi. Or we will write 3.14 multiplied by diameter. Now we will look into a few images which are circular in a nature and also about the various parts of a circle for easy understanding. Good morning, students. Now I hope you all know about the circle, its parts, and what is the relation between its various parts. I will solve few questions for you. Exercise 14.1, question number 1. Name the radius, diameter, chords, and any 5 arc of the given circle. Radius. The radius is the line segment which joins any point on the circle with its center. Again I am repeating. The radius is the line segment which joins any point on the circle with its center. In this image, OA is a radius. See, O is a center and center is join a line segment. OA is a radius. In the given picture, this picture, you can see that there are 5 line segments. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which are joining the boundary of a circle with its center. See, it's a center and it's a boundary line. It's a boundary. All the line segments are join a center or a boundary. All those are radius of the circle. 2 out of these radius are O, P, O, Q. Now tell me about the rest 3 radius. Good students, you are right. Rest of the radius in the given picture is O, L, O, T, O, M. Radius of these circles are O, L, O, M, O, P, O, Q and O, T. O, L. See, O, L, O, M, O, P, O, Q, O, T. Let's go to second part of the question, that is the name, the diameter of the circle. As I have already told you that a line segment joining any 2 points on a circle and passing through its center is called the diameter of the circle. A line segment joining any 2 points on a circle and passing through its center is called the diameter of the circle. In this image, AB is a diameter of a circle. It is passing through O, which is center of the circle. It is a center of the circle. In the given picture, L, M and P, Q are the diameter of the circle. Both are joining 2 points on a circle through its center. See, 2 points P and Q, both are 2 points and P and Q joining a center point. See, this line touch the center and LM also touch this center O. So, L, M PQ are the diameter of the circle. Next is the name, the chord of the circle. As you know that the chord are the line segment joining any 2 points on a circle is called the chord of the circle. Again I am repeating, the line segment joining any 2 points on a circle is called the chord of the circle. In this figure, M, N is a chord, Q, R, chord, T, U. All these are chord of the circle, MN, QR, TU. In the given picture, S, Q, P, Q, P, T, L, M are the chord of the circle. L, M and PQ are the longest chord of the circle. So here we will write S, Q, P, T, P, Q and L, M. Are the chord of the circle. Next part of the question is, name any 5 arcs of the circle. Arc. Any 2 curved parts of the circle is known as arc of the circle. Again I am repeating, any 2 curved part of the circle is known as an arc of the circle. In this image, O is a center and S and T both are a different point. See, any 2 curved parts, see both 2 curved parts S and T both joined together of the circle is known as arc of the circle. Any 2 curved part of the circle is known as arc of the circle. Again I am repeating, any 2 curved part of a circle is known as arc of the circle. This is an image. See, O is a center, S and T. S and T is a arc. T and P. T and P is a arc. See, curved line. In the given picture, S, L, L, Q, Q, T, T, M, M, P, P, S. These are an arc of the circle. S, L, L, Q, Q, T, T, M, M, P. Repeating, S, L, L, Q, Q, T, T, M, M, P, P, S. These are an arc of the circle because this line is curved. I will solve part A. In part A of the question, we have to draw a circle with radius of 4 cm. First of all, we will measure 4 centimeter on the scale. See, here 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Yes, this line. See again, 4 centimeter, 0 to 4 centimeter. Now I will draw here a line. See, 0, here 4 centimeter. By using a compass, we will draw the circle. Now I will show you how to make it. We are having 2 points, one this compass point and one the pencil point. So first compass point I will put here and pencil point I will put here. See. Now slowly I will draw here circle. See. Now we will give here name. It's a center point O. OA equals to 4 centimeter. Done. Now I will solve part B. In part B of the question, we have to draw circle with a radius of 5 centimeter. First of all, we will measure 5 centimeter on the scale. See, 0, here 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter here, this line. I will draw a line with the help of scale and a pencil. Take your scale here and draw a line 5 centimeters. See, don't draw here. It is started with here 0 only. Done. See, it is 5 here only. And by the use of compass, we will draw the circle. See, it is my compass. So we are having 2 points. One it is compass point and a pencil point. So one point we will put here and pencil point we will put here. So we will adjust your compass. See, fix. So now slowly we will draw here 5 centimeter circle. Now we will give your name. It is the center O and B. OB equals to 5 centimeter. Here we will write OB equals to 5 centimeter. Now I will solve part C. In part C of the question, we have to draw circle with radius of 6 centimeter. First of all, we will measure 6 centimeter on the scale. See, start here 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. Here is completed 6 centimeter. See. Now 0 to 6 centimeter. Now with the help of scale and a pencil, we will draw here a line 6 centimeter. Here it is started. Done. And by the use of compass, we will draw the circle. Students, see, it is my compass. There is 2 points. One is compass point and one is pencil point. Now I will show you how to make a circle. Now compass point put here and pencil point put here. See, it should be very perfect. See. Now slowly move your compass. Now your 6 centimeter circle is ready. Now it's a circle. We will put here a name O C 6 centimeter. Here we will write OC equals to 6 centimeter. Students, now we will solve part D. In part D of the question, we have to draw circle with radius of 2.5 centimeter. First of all, we will measure 2.5 centimeter on the scale. See, 0 to 1, 1 to 2. Now here is 2.5. So see, count the line 1. Count the line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, see this line. Students, with the help of scale and pencil, we will draw a line 2.5 centimeter. Put your scale. Now draw a line 0 to 2.5 here. By use of compass, we will draw a circle. Now put here your compass and pencil point you have to put in second line corner. Now move slowly. Done. Now write here name O D 2.5 centimeter. OD equals to 2.5 centimeter.